How's it going, guys? Working on the Mercury a little bit this evening. Trying to figure out this driver rear window does not go up or down. Not really sure why. I know it has power. At least the switch up here has power. And I'll show you why. So every window works. I've just put this one down. That one's down. And then I get this. That one goes down. But say I'm rolling this one down. So the one that doesn't work is this one. Nothing. Even if I go back here, nothing. But if I'm like rolling this one up or down, so let me roll up. And I hit down, it slows it down. So it makes me think it has power. Well, guys, I took this all apart. There was a 8mm bolt right here, went in the bottom side, right down here, and where was it? Is right here. The little plastic's there. And then you had to pop the little clip in the door handle, which looks like that. You just pop that off, and then there's another that's a T30 Torx bit. And then after you pull the handle off, you'll see a metal little bracket in there, which looks like this. But you'll see this side of it, like right there, and there'll be another 8mm bolt there. And once you pull that, the door comes up, and it goes up and over your little lock rod there. That's pretty much it. I just kind of peeled this plastic back to see this refurbished one of these is like $50 something. And you have to pull the cables off the window slide and all that stuff. We have a lot of rain this week, so I'm not doing that. My next step will probably be going to the junkyard and finding another one of these. Hopefully green Marquis. I think they had a couple of them. And I'll take a little 9-volt battery or something with me with some leads. And I know if I hook it up to this, it's kind of hard to see through there, that red and yellow there, then I should be able to power the window up and down. So, how's it going, guys? I don't know if you can tell, but I made it to the junkyard. This is Liberty, or secondly Midway U-Pole Liberty location. And I'm looking for my window regulator motor combo thingy. So I finally found the one I saw online. So now I'm to pull this door panel. As you know, these vehicles are destroyed when they get here. So there's definitely no way to test this as far as turning the key on, I don't think. I don't even think it has a key with it. So we're just gonna go ahead and see if I can get to those two wires I showed you. I think they're the yellow and red. I brought a 9-volt battery, and then I brought a little tiny jump pack. So I'm gonna see if I can test it, see if this works. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off just like I showed you, and I'll get back with you when I get to those wires. As soon as I opened this, it started smelling like animal pee in here really, really bad. So hopefully no critters come flying out at me. I think I might have said 8mm in the beginning of this video. When I was taking mine apart, it's 7mm to get those out, besides the Torx. So here's kind of our maiden journey here. It didn't take me, it was 3 screws, so let's get to these wires and cross our fingers, I guess. See if I can set you guys up so you can see me. The good sign is it doesn't look like this has ever been off. Maybe here. Someone peeled it to get to the lock or something, but so where's my connector? got to the connector. I don't know which end is which. And I don't think I brought my meter. Okay, I'm just putting you on selfie mode. Sorry if it's not as good quality. It's super hot. I don't want to be here too much longer. Okay. So you guys can watch this. If this spins, I don't know if you'll be able to see that very well, but then we'll be good. Fingers crossed. Bye-bye. Just to show you guys what I deal with. It loves to stay in here. I don't get it. Okay, I don't know if you can see that very well, but we're gonna give it a shot. I don't even know which one's what's what. I mean, I think this should go either way. No matter what, doesn't really matter which way I hook it up. Oh my gosh, come on, rubber cover, really? Get all the way. Oh my gosh. Get all the way here, and it's a stupid rubber cover on the jumper box that holds me up. Okay. Another attempt. Power on. I hook up this to one side. We're just gonna tap the other. Oh, yes, it works. Okay. We're getting it, we're going. Perfect. Just undo this. And we're going. See you guys at the house. Well, I guess that was easy enough if I pay attention. Okay, we're back home. I got to this point. Super simple, 3 screws. Just pull down the plastic. So hopefully this is an easy fix. But like always, there's no promises. So what I wanted to know now is the orientation of those two where they connect. It's not like this. It's not quite straight down. It's kind of at an angle like that. I guess as you can see the screw holes. Actually, this one seems way more of an angle. Oh, it's this way. That's why. Yeah. So not quite straight up and down, just like that. These out. I feel like this is going to be a little hard to line up since you can't see anything. But we're going to give it a shot. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the plug. Just that end. It's one of those Christmas tree clip things, which I hate. Just like all these. So now I'll pull the window part back. Pull the connector around. So right now we have the whole thing in our hands. Off it comes. Who knows if this one's bad or not, but I guess we'll see. I mean, it doesn't look bad. Doesn't look like it's ever been used, but I think the only thing that might give me an issue is the fact that I turned this one on, so it rotated. So I don't know if that's gonna mess anything up. I'm gonna attempt just to move it the tiny bit it needs. But who knows if that's gonna work. This is definitely gonna be the hardest part, in my opinion. Oh, I got that one starting. Surprisingly. You know what? After looking at this bottom one, do not back it out all the way, just a tiny bit. Because there's a slit on this side, so it's made for the whole regulator to slide forward and come out this way, and it'll all stay together. So this bottom one, do not take all these out like I did. Just back it out just a little bit, and you can slide it over. Wish I would have known that. Probably to prevent it from being too much of a pain. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and crank these down and cross our fingers that this fixed it. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we have to route this around the window rail so you don't chop the cord in half. When it's getting operated, we're gonna save. I'm not gonna put the Christmas tree clip thing in there yet. I'm not a fan of those things. If I take this back apart, the more time you take those apart, the less they stay together. Alright, we're clipped in. Oh, I'm nervous. Let's put our switch on, turn the key on, and hopefully the window goes up and down. Okay, guys. This hopefully was our fix. I really hope. That's a moment of truth. Yes, 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 yes! Oh, I'm so happy. That's awesome. $23.90, I think, is what it costs. $23.90 or $23.19. Either way, I think these things were like $65 is the cheapest I could find when used. That was a fairly easy replacement. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.